In this video, I want to show you how you can expose additional information for your calls, like the keyword or the campaign or any other UDM parameter from your Google Ads. So this is the expected outcome: UDM source, medium, campaign, and UDM term. You can see that we can view the campaign name and the keyword that generated the call. We also have the gclid here. So let me show you how you can do this with Nimbata from your Google Ads. The value track parameters here are your friends, and you want to expose whatever UDM you want to have Nimbata track. So you can find in Google Ads value track parameters, and what we're interested in is these guys here, the parameter names where you can dynamically fetch them, right? So I'm going to keep this tab open, and then I'm going to head over to Google Ads. Now, in Google Ads, you can have UDMs at any level, campaign, ad group, or even at the account level. I'm going to show you how you can do so from the campaign level. So click on campaigns, click on settings, and then find the campaign that you want to configure the URL tracking template. What we're interested in is this campaign URL options here. So if I click here, you notice that this has a tracking template. Now, whatever you add here, you can see that I have UDM_term equals keyword. So it dynamically fetches the keyword. You can find the keyword here, dynamically fetches the keyword that generated the click, right? Apart from the keyword, you can also hard code the UDM campaign name. You can tweak the UDM source if you want and add additional tracking parameters, which you can find here. So if you're interested for the ad group ID, you could add this one. If you're interested for the device, you can add that one. But once you're finished here, you can click on save. Once you click on save, I want you to head back to Nimbata and perform these steps here. So let's go to this brand here. Perform these steps. Head over to tracking, sources, add custom URL parameter, and add the parameter you added here. So in this case, we want to add the UDM_term. So I'm going to go here, add the UDM term. Once I have that, I can go back to my activity call section, choose which view I want, maybe this one, I guess. Click on this, edit columns, find the UDM term, add it to your view. You can also sort it. And now any new calls you have, let's take some calls here so we can update the view. Any new calls that come in will also have the UDM term updated with the click that actually drove the call. It's as simple as that. Give it a go.